All right, you're going to show me how you count? Ready? Here, give it to me. Oh, Lauren. Lauren. Come here. Lolo, how do you count? Show me your numbers, Lolo. Okay, ready? Let me see. Let's do it. Okay. Okay, it's going great so far. Okay, you ready?
1, 2.
Keep going. I have 2 fingers. Banana, come here. Okay, you ready? Count.
1.
Keep going. Okay, now we're losing fingers. Lolo, show me your numbers. Come here. Ready? Ready? Okay, ready? Count. All right, let's do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 18.
Very good. Do it again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 18.
Awesome. You always forget a couple in there, but I'll take it. You did good. Do it again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18.
Excellent. Excellent. Who needs those other ones?
Never.
You want to do ABCs?
A, B, C, D.
It goes E.
1,
Oh, you like numbers better.
2, 3, 4, 5, 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10.
5.
Awesome job. Let's give high fives. High fives. Excellent. Excellent. Can you say cut?
Cut.
See ya.